In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Lightroom Mobile in a simple, fast way that works while you export your photo. This is a great feature if you want to protect your images, add your name, or keep your branding consistent across every post. Whether you use Lightroom Mobile or Lightroom on iPad, the process is very similar, and once you learn it, you can apply it to all your photos in just a few taps. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Lightroom Mobile and choose the photo you want to export. Once your image is ready, tap the Share icon. This is usually found near the top of the screen, and it opens your export options. From there, tap Export As. This is where Lightroom lets you control the final file settings before saving or sharing your image. Next, look for the option called Include Watermark and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, Lightroom will attach a watermark to the exported photo. If you want to make it more personal, tap Customize. Here, you can create your own watermark style by entering custom text such as your name, brand, or website. You can also adjust the font, text color, opacity, and placement so it looks exactly how you want. If you prefer a subtle look, lower the opacity. If you want it to stand out more, increase it and place it in a corner that does not distract from the photo. Once everything looks right, confirm your settings and finish exporting the image. Lightroom will save the photo with your watermark included automatically. That's it. You've now added a watermark in Lightroom Mobile the easy way. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference for your content and branding. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Lightroom tip.